To another company that's looking to keep up the momentum it's made since the pandemic is Southwest Airlines. Shares this morning fell, though, more than 3% after the airline briefly grounded all flights due to technical issues. The company said the interruption was caused by data connection issues resulting from a firewall failure. Now, it said that the firewall was from an outside vendor. Now, this comes nearly 5 months after all airlines were hit by a severe storm back in December, and Southwest's crew scheduling system wasn't able to keep up, causing the airline to cancel 17,000 flights and costing the company nearly $800 million in lost revenue. Now, the company is expected to post earnings results next Thursday, I believe, the 27th. Analysts expect adjusted earnings per share to come in down 22 cents and revenue to come in $5.73 billion. And so certainly a company, as many airlines, analysts here are expecting a mixed bag for airlines, certainly sort of an airline industry, interesting array of different companies that I think they'll report differently based upon consumer demand, based upon how they're handling labor. And so certainly interesting to see what comes out next week.
Yeah, they're all dealing with new pilot deals and huge demand. But Bob Jordan, above all these CEOs, has his hands full because he's going to spend $1 billion upgrading the technical systems. I don't know if they're going to change this point-to-point system to a hub system like the other airlines. It may not be Bob Jordan's problem that they're in this mess, but he's the guy that's going to have to turn it around, and it's going to be a heavy, heavy lift.
It's going to be a very heavy lift. And you're also looking at a group of customers, those that are still loyal, that are still flying Southwest, that are going to be able to continue to possibly stomach delays like this. 40% of the flights were delayed yesterday. And if you have had anything to do with the cancellations or the delays that this airline has experienced, they're up against a tough competition out there. In some respects, I guess every airline deals with some sort of cancellations, as I experienced yesterday. But I do think people that have been loyal to Southwest have a very low tolerance for issues like this.
Yeah, two of the people here were on the wrong end of some United snafus.
And they're going to be
different story, Dave. Different story, Sean.
They're dealing with their own issues, which we will talk about United later.